Welcome to the Union Labor Advisory Network. I'm Mike Fina. Today I'm extremely proud and privileged to have a good friend of mine and of labor, John Dulczak, who's the co-founder and CEO of LaborFirst. Welcome, John. Thanks for joining us today.
Michael, how you doing, bud?
Doing great, doing great. Great to see you, and thanks for joining the network and visiting us today.
Oh, I'm excited about it. You're creating a pretty interesting little program here with a lot of value.
Thanks a lot,
be
John.
part of it, man.
Appreciate it. Thanks, John. So, John, tell us a little bit about LaborFirst. What's the company, what services you provide to labor, and a little history.
Yeah. So, LaborFirst, our sole focus is working with union benefit plans and their Medicare retirees. Our specialty is designing not only medical and pharmacy solutions that save the fund money, but just as important, structures, services, and advocacy for the retired participants, that meet the level that they're accustomed to, that can help them and help us guide them through this healthcare maze that we live in this country, which it can be quite confusing at times, especially if you're a senior.
And how long has LaborFirst been in existence now? I mean, I see you all over the place. You're at every conference. You're supporting so many different groups. Again, friend of labor. I always enjoy seeing you guys. So tell us a little bit about the history as well.
I'm very lucky. You have to have a lot of luck, but also I have great partners. My co-founder, Anthony Frasco, we've been working together now for 18 years plus. We actually founded the company in 2005. We were working for a PBM, another company, trying to, make our place and find our place in this world professionally. But it wasn't until about 2011, 12 when Anthony and I met Gian Richeza, David Zaratny, Anthony Broccolari, who that we really started the company that you see today. And we've had a lot of success, but with that, a lot of good luck and got a lot of good fortune. We started out with one client. We now represent well over 200 plan sponsors with couple 100,000 plus retired participants spread all across the 50 states and U.S. territories. And, I think the best part about the company to date and our success is that we still have 100% client retention, knock on wood. You ask any of the clients from the first one that we represented back in 2012 to the most recent client that we've installed, we're still providing the same level of service that we have day one, that we promised, that we committed to, and they're still happy clients. And I think that's the best part about it. I know my partners feel the same way, is that not only are we successful, but to be able to make 100% of your clients to date happy, that's the thing to be very proud of.
It's incredible. And I know you do have a great staff. Like I said, I see them at all the different events. Looking forward to getting out to see some of them again in 2021 now.
Absolutely.
Seeing a lot of the outings coming out and the conferences starting to resonate again, which is great. So I'm looking forward to seeing you. So, John, tell us a little bit what some of the benefits that you provide for LaborFirst. So some of the things that maybe set you apart from some of the other providers, supporting the labor market.
Well, the key is, it's about designing a solution that works for each group you work with. And as I'm sure Mike, in the union marketplace, if you've seen one union healthcare fund, you've seen one union healthcare fund. Every single one, they have their own structure. They can differ from, their fund staff size to the professionals that they work with to the benefits that they offer. So that's the key from day one, is designing benefit solutions for the Medicare retirees, the post-65 retirees, that work for both the fund staff, the trustees, as well as the retired participants.
So, John, anything else that you'd like to leave us with, some updates on LaborFirst or information that you provide?
Definitely. I mean, we had a lot going on in our world of late. We actually just finished an office move. We now have over 100 employees full-time that work for the company, which, something I'm very proud of, and I know my partners are as well. We also have been named the best places to work for the third time, New Jersey's best places to work. And again, that means a lot because that comes from your employees. And be able to provide, I got a great team here, throughout. And to be able to provide them with not only, maybe a better place to work, but a good living and something that they're proud of that they do every day when they go to the office. I think that's just as fulfilling as the success on the client side. As we settle into this, to the 2021 year, we're looking forward to getting back out there and hopefully seeing many of the people that participate on this network at conferences, trade shows, trying to get back to some level of normality, hopefully soon. And we're looking forward to that. It's going to be a big year, we're hoping.
Great,
Better
John.
year than last year.
Yeah, we'll hope so, without a doubt. And John, again, I can't thank you enough for joining us today, giving us an overview of your company, some of the benefits that you guys are providing, and just the great service that you're supporting the labor market with. So, and thanks to you and all your staff and all the followers and members of the ULA network. Thanks again for everything, and look forward to seeing you guys real soon. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Michael. This is a great thing you're doing here. I'm proud to be a part of it, buddy.
Thanks, John. Great to talk to you. I'd like to thank John Dulczak and LaborFirst for all they do to support labor and our communities. The Union Labor Advisory Network is a site to support, educate, and promote informative content relative to our union labor community. I'd like to thank you all for joining us today. Please follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, on Instagram. Have a great day and look forward to seeing you soon.